Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki. I'm the creator behind Nikki J Plans. If you ever felt overwhelmed trying to figure out what's for dinner every night, this video is going to change that for you. Today I'm walking you through how to use the Planner Perfect meal planner, and then I'll show you my exact process for creating a weekly meal plan that actually works. So if you love planning, routines, and creating systems that simplify your life, let's get into it, and don't forget to subscribe. The Planner Perfect meal planner is designed to help you organize your meals in a way that feels simple, intentional, and flexible. I have my meal planner in the Everyday Traveler's Notebook wallet. This is the sienna leather. It's one of my favorite Planner Perfect leathers. It was very popular in the A5 size, but it is available in the wallet. So before we go into what's in the meal planner, just wanted to make you aware that if you get the wallet, on the left-hand side, you get a space for your credit cards, ID. This is where you can put your money. There's a pocket here that goes all the way here. You can put 2 books, another large pocket that goes all the way through here, and a space here for your iPhone if that's what you use. You can also put your pens here. So let's get into the meal planner. When you open your meal planner, there's space for your menu and there's space for your shopping list. You get 1, 2, 3 pages for shopping list, and that is essentially the way meal planners are designed. So let's take this off. Here are some examples of how I use my Planner Perfect meal planner. Depending on the size of meal planner you get, you can make 3 columns and divide your meals into breakfast, lunch, and dinner categories. If you have the narrow size like I do, then you could focus on just dinner ideas. Since I'm usually well stocked with breakfast and lunch basics, I no longer write my breakfast and lunches in my meal planner. I mainly focus on dinners, since that's what I usually have leftovers of, and I like to plan in advance which days I will not cook. The Planner Perfect meal planners come with 20 weeks of meal planning pages. Before I start filling out the menu, I think about what I have going on. And what I do know is that Saturdays, I have a family gathering. We're celebrating April birthdays. And Sunday is Easter Sunday. So, for Easter Sunday, I will bring mac and cheese. They love my homemade mac and cheese. So I'm using my Tombow 985. I used a small tip to write, and I used a brush tip for faux lettering. I just love the effect. It also gives me an opportunity to fix any mistakes I've made. And then for Saturday, the host is doing pork sliders, so I will bring cornbread, and beans. I got this yummy cornbread recipe through an Instagram influencer, and it is amazing. She mixes honey with butter, and I think that's like the last step, and it it makes it so moist. I never come back with leftovers ever. It's that good. Okay, so that's the weekend, and then on Monday, we're doing meatloaf. And this meatloaf is fantastic. I found the copycat of the Cracker Barrel meatloaf. Amazing. Once you use Ritz crackers in your meatloaf, you're never going back. So we'll definitely have leftovers for that. And then for Wednesday, we'll do spaghetti, but I'll make it different this time. I think I'll use turkey meat. And we'll have leftovers of that. And I think I will get spaghetti squash. I love spaghetti squash. And I'll use that as a substitute for my meal. Now that I'm thinking about it, I might add to my shopping list bell peppers, and that's how I will eat the meatloaf. I'll stuff the bell peppers with the meatloaf, and I'll avoid the mashed potatoes. I'm trying to have high protein meals, but my daughter will appreciate having her mashed potatoes and her regular noodles for spaghetti. So since we're not having dinner at home on Saturday and Sunday because we're going to be at family gatherings, then I want Friday to be something simple that I know will not leave leftovers. So let's just do something that my daughter loves. Let's do pigs in a blanket. So once I'm done filling this out, then I will check my pantry and determine what to add in the next page. There. So I finished my list, and a lot of these items is things that I will use for this menu, but I also added things that I use for breakfast, lunch, snacks. So I added that to the list as well. And I did this checking my my pantry, my refrigerator to make sure what I have, what I didn't have, and that's how I determined the list. And sometimes I like to make things cute, and I'll use my leftover stickers from Hand Kim Plan, of course, because these colors go beautifully with this color that I chose for my menu. I like to cut the florals in half, and there we go. And then I do this. And I don't have to add stickers, but I have the cute stickers, so why not beautify the page? And I have this one. There we go. There we go. Looks cute. I like that. Like it a lot. Maybe I'll add some leaves up here. I love that contrast with the bright color. This little single flower right here. Yeah. That turned out really cute. Sometimes I color this little flower. I could do that too. Where is my Tombow? There it is. These little moments like this just bring me a lot of joy, calm, quiet. So let me know in the comments how you meal plan, what system works for you. I would love to know. And if you don't meal plan, please share in the comments too. That's completely fine. You don't have to meal plan. I just know that that's something that has helped me, that type of structure. It's also helped me save a lot of money and not end up spending so much on fast food. Plus, I enjoy eating from home. I've enjoyed it a lot. So I hope you like this video. I hope this was helpful. I hope this inspired you to consider meal planning. And please like, subscribe. That really helps grow my channel. And follow me on Instagram under the same handle, Nikki J Plans. I am a Planner Perfect ambassador. If you like Planner Perfect products, if you want to try it out, please use my 20% off code, Nikki20. Some people have used it more than once, so if you've already used it, try using it again. It might work. And yeah, thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.